everybody, my name is Trentin Birchfield, and today we are going to make Galaxy Slime Glue. So I already got one of the steps started. We put 25 milliliters inside of this little cup here. And now, get this box out of the way.
Okay.
Get that out of the way. You gotta get that out of here. Okay, so one leveled spoonful. Mom, where's the spoon? Okay, so one leveled spoonful of sodium tetroate.
Baking soda.
Oh, it's baking soda.
Yeah. Same difference. Need scissors?
Yeah. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
So, I get a spoonful of this stuff. It says one leveled spoonful, so we have to make it perfect. Does that look good?
Yes, it does.
So we made one leveled spoonful. Yeah, can you just put that
Put that
somewhere?
right there, so in case you spill it,
Got out.
it's on the paper. It's
Okay, so pour it into the cup of water.
You want to pour that cup in here?
Oh wait, we were supposed to do that in the first place. Now, stir it until the sodium dissolves. So, okay, guys, I'll see you when it dissolves, and then I set it aside. So, I'll see you later when the slime's done. I mean, when I stop stirring this. So, yeah.
Oh.
I just dropped some of the water out. I have to start over. Fill a second cup with...
I'm your helper, so I'll move your first cup over here.
So, fill a second cup with 0.845
Full ounces.
full ounces.
Look at the milliliters instead.
Oh, Mom, you have to do another one.
Yep, right here.
Another one full of water.
Yep, right here your cup is.
I need more water. Oh, wait. Oh, it's still warm. I think I did too much. Yeah, I did a little bit too much. Just a little more. And I poured too much out. You have to get it exactly right. Okay, I got it. So, now, pour 0.54 FLOZ.
Full ounces.
Full ounces.
Or 25 milliliters.
16 millimeters.
Oh, 16 milliliters.
Of white glue.
Oh, right. So now you have to pour that water in a cup, because you're going to need that measuring.
Yeah, in a different cup.
Yeah.
I might get the other cups wet.
Okay, now you got to measure your glue. I help you?
Yeah, can you kind of help?
There, your second one. Okay, get your measuring cup.
Now get my measuring cup.
16 milliliters.
0.54? How do I do that?
Okay, let me see that for a second.
0.54?
Okay, so what do we have here? Let's see that in there. It said 16 ounce milliliters, right?
Yeah.
Okay, right above my finger, right here, my first finger right there. Right above it.
Oh,
see it?
Right above 15?
Yes, right above 15. There you go.
Just a little bit
Yep.
above? Okay, thanks.
You're welcome.
No thanks, though. I kind of can't, like, get it open. Somebody already used this.
Oh, there's probably a tin on top of it. Open the whole cover.
Yep.
Yeah, pull that out.
One time.
Let me see. I'll loosen it.
One time there was one of these tins on here. I tried to like squeeze it off. I was on the bed, so it like sprayed all over the bed. So now put this back on. You're probably thinking, "Hey Trentin, why don't you just keep the thing off?" Well, because it's just easier doing this. Maybe not. Maybe you guys are right. Okay, this is gonna take forever, so I'm just gonna take the whole entire thing off. This might take forever. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. I messed this up. Okay. So, okay. Why is there... Guys, do you see that? It's a bubble of glue. That's the most awesomest thing I've ever seen. It's awesome. So, over 15. A little bit over 15. Oh, it's going a little bit over. Okay. Did I get... it's in the middle of 15 and 20. I think that's good.
Yeah, that's good. Close enough.
Yeah, it's close enough. It's probably at 17.
It might just make it a little thicker. That's all.
Yeah, maybe. This second cup of warm water. Okay, so I put this in the empty water cup. What? No, well, it's not empty. It's filled with water. So I pour the glue into this water cup that isn't filled with the white borax that I poured in earlier. So this is the one that I need the spoon or the stick. I'm gonna use it anyway, so
your spoon is in this cup right here.
Okay. Ooh, I got a lot.
So what do you have to do? Put the glue in a cup all by itself or with the water?
With the water.
Okay.
So
were the same exact borax, the same thing, the sodium?
No, but
one was 24 milliliters and the other one was how many milliliters of water?
16.
Okay, so you're working on the 16?
No. It was the same exact water, but...
Okay. The glue is different.
Yeah. This isn't gonna mix in. This isn't mixing in.
Yes, it will. It'll mix. You're just going to mix it good.
No, it's not mixing in. Look.
Okay, hold on.
It's
We'll be
stuck.
right back.
So, guys, we are going to pour them into each other now. Mom, is this the right cup that I put the sodium in?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I need to get the stick out because no one likes the stick.
So see them right there on the garbage, by
still
the
a little bit
garbage.
glue on it. And there's sodium on this. So, let's see it transform. Okay, it didn't work as cool as I thought it would. It should have worked like it would explode or something.
You're not making a volcano, you're making slime.
So, I'm mixing it in the sodium. We're just doing whatever we want now.
Let's see what the consistency is.
Whoa, it's working.
Oh.
So we're just literally doing whatever we want now, so.
What about the coloring? Does it say to put that in yet?
Nope, and I don't care. We're just doing whatever we want now, so. Pour a bunch of glitter in there. And pour the... Where's the color? Where's the coloring? Oh, there it is. Oh, dang it.
I don't think you need that part. No, you don't need that part. There you go. That stuff stains, so don't get it on your clothes. Make sure of it. Get it on this towel if you need to, but not your shirt.
Guys, we're just doing whatever we want now, so I don't really care. We're kind of messing up here. Ooh.
Looks good.
I got a little bit of slime, but not much. Most of it is just water.
Okay, so you have to mix it for a few more minutes and you'll be right back.
Yeah, pretty much. Hey guys, it's me, and I have finished my slime mixing. Let's see how it looks. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's sick! Oh man, it's on the stick. Totally failed. Fail! I'll just put it right up on the screen for you. Failed. Can you actually do that?
I'm still mixing mine. Mine's not coming out at all.
Yeah, Mom. Hey, guys. Mom. Let the camera face me. So, Mom started making one too. And she did not follow the directions because she added a full cup of glue.
Baking. Oh, yeah.
And she has cheated the system.
Okay, you all done, kiddo?
Yeah, you can pay attention to Mom now.
Alright, I'll be coming back over here.
I already...
So here's my cup of stuff, and this is what I've mixed so far. Ready? And it's all watery.
So I'm gonna take it out with my hands.
No good. We'll have to start over. Okay, start over.